500 series Bosch. This is the KTS 570. Just using the Bosch scope leads in here. I bought myself a cheap amp clamp off eBay. There's no zeroing this, so I'm just gonna put this on the starter motor lead. I've disconnected so I can crank it over. Basically, leads go into here. It's a bit of a smash. Little adapter in there goes into the two leads of the scope. Got this on 600 amps. Peak level, signal 1, auto level. Turn this side of the scope off, and I've put this down here 1000 milliseconds. So we'll give it a go and see if it's any good or not. Pause that. Well, it seems to work okay. For a £20 eBay amp clamp, I'm very happy with it. I filmed this yesterday and the picture on the tablet was rubbish. But you can quite clearly see the peaks of the pistons going up and down. Obviously good engine, nothing wrong with it. So quick refresh. Oh. 600 there, amps, 1000 milliseconds there. Turn that off there and you'll get a waveform from the compression. Thanks for watching.